there are lots of different definitions of what integrated transport really means. At a very simple level, it's about the whole business of, if you like, of buses meeting trains, all of those issues that make the business of passengers having to transfer from one mode of transport to another much more attractive to them, so that the public transport journey looks to be a really competitive alternative to the car. Because I think what underpins all of transport policy is the notion, not that you have to be anti-car at all, but just that if we did all, let's say we double the number of cars we had in this country, we would clearly have an awful lot of problem in getting to the places that we want to go.